name is Mujahid Saeed. I'm with Al Furqan Foundation. We are one of the largest publishers of the translated Quran in North America. I'm here to support this campaign of fasting from China. Alhamdulillah, we have stopped printing anything in China. We have, Quran copies we won't print anymore. Also, we have a product called the Sajda mat, which is primarily manufactured there. We're going to stop manufacturing in China. And some other products, as you know, like gift bags, etc., that we use China for, we're going to stop doing that until, inshallah, you guys are successful in getting whatever decision China is making reversed, inshallah.
Jazakallah khair. This is a big step, and we're asking again everybody to not buy anything made in China during the month of Ramadan, and to make this a Muslim conscious effort of spiritual activism against the oppression of the Uyghur people.